guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm going to make Cebu City with my toys. This is my vlog. I'm gonna start with the tree. The world will be inside. Every night I go to bed, I dream. I can hear my head. A million dreams are here, I come away. So this is the tree. Look guys. I'm gonna put the tree. Come on guys, look at this. I'm gonna put the tree right over here. See guys? This is where I'm gonna put the tree. Yeah, I know there was a lot of trees. I'm just gonna put it right over here, so you guys can remember it. That the tree that tree is right there. This wonderful house. I'm gonna create the restaurants. Okay, guys, you know that there's a restaurant. Oh, I'm gonna start with the best place, Ocean Park. No, that's not the best place. That was the Android. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I'm gonna start with the trees again. As you see, I'm done with the thing that the tree is gonna stand on. Come on. I'm just gonna put it right almost there. As you can see guys, the tree is right here. Ta-da! Look at that. Look at this guys. Look at this guys. I place, remember this thing. I placed this right here. We were done with that, right? And this is the next one. We're done with that now. Now guys, I'm gonna start with the inside of that box. Okay. Every night I go to bed, my vision dreams are in my head. A